Yeah, no, it's not that sophisticated. It's really just I mean, it's a really basic spreadsheet. I mean, formatted pretty nicely, but other than that, it's not connected to any history or anything. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do to actually update this. It's not a big deal. But basically, what I have in this one spreadsheet, there's several sheets at the bottom. The trade tracking, scratch, and sheet are really the only three that I really use. So the idea here is to we want to fill. I have some more formulas in here that kind of pick up and determine the pips. But anyway, let me just show you exactly what I do to get my trade tracking spreadsheet filled in. So if I go to my MT4 and I just go to the history, you run a report for whatever period of time, of interest. You right click down here and you do save as report, and I just save it. And it's going to open it as an HTML page, right? And I just copy out, really basic, I just copy out the transactions, not all of it, just you don't want the closed P&L and L and the subtotal and all that. So just copy that out. Again, really basic stuff here. I paste it into a blank sheet. And the reason why is because, again, it's not that sophisticated. Um, it doesn't pick up things like this canceled row where I had limit orders or something placed and I canceled them or deleted them. So if you don't do this, it's going to screw up the rest of the sheet. So you just got to delete those out. Again, not real difficult. But once I have that cleaned up like that, then I copy it and paste it into the Scratch tab here. And this is a really important one because it's got some extra formulas that figure out the pips automatically. Now, it only does currencies. It doesn't really do, I don't think it does gold, and it doesn't do the indices at all. So there you go. That's that. Anyway, so I just basically just copy it out here and copy, and then I go into trade tracking and I just paste column by column, right? That's it. It's really basic. I don't do anything special, but I just copy I record the entry time, the exit time that the trade was closed. You don't have to, I guess, whatever floats your boat. And then the thing with Scratch here is that it calculates the fees, it's not just fees, it's also I think it's like commissions and maybe even what do you call it? I forget the other term for it. But anyway, it figures out all of the fees, and then it also figures out all of the pips for you. So that's kind of nice. I'll have to update it for indices and gold. Anyway, you can see the running total pips total is calculated because this column here and the total equity total column are the only two columns that have a formula in them, really basic formula. Anyway, let me just finish up here, and then the profit, right? Paste it in there, and then that would be a complete set for that time period, and you just continue on the next time period, just copy and paste in. And the charts are automatically, well, if they're not automatically connected, you have to it's dependent upon what you want to see. Like if you just want two charts that run all the trades forever, that's fine. Sometimes I'll break them up, but you may have to make sure that you're got the correct data range. It should be okay, but you may have to pull it down. For example, the equity curve, it goes down. See how far it only goes down to there, for example. So you may have to update it. But anyway, all these other columns will figure it out for you. So these are kind of nice to have. It's not, I mean, they're not overly complex, but the equity should match what's in your MT4 at the end of the day. So there you go.